The SOLTEC SMS Sleep Management System is industry-defining technology. Invented by neurologist Dr. Dan Cohen, who pioneered sleep diagnostic equipment in the 1980s and introduced the world to the Breathe Right nasal strip.
As a physician, I was trained that a healthy lifestyle means that you should eat right, exercise regularly, and above all else, sleep well. People ask, what is the SOLTEC Sleep Management System? It consists of 4 different elements. First, and really the brains of the operation, is the Z-Track Analyst. This is the wrist wearable that measures a host of sleep parameters, almost like having a sleep lab on your wrist. And this analyzes your sleep in real time, which is essential because it speaks to, during the entire night, it speaks to the Z-Gen magnetic conditioner. The Z-Gen magnetic conditioner produces the magnetic frequencies that are associated with the various stages of sleep. This reinforces those healthy stages of sleep. In addition, the other 2 components of the sleep management system are the SOLTEC database, which is in the cloud, and the app SOLTEC Z, which not only allows you to review your data, but transmits the data into the cloud.
Your data is private and personalized. Dr. Martin Scharf, R&D consultant for the Cleveland Sleep Research Center, is SOLTEC Health's chief medical advisor.
You used to need a whole big machine, one big machine in a big room for somebody to sleep so that you can see their brain waves. But now, just from the little wrist wearable, we're going to be able to identify sleep stages and tell the device what the patient needs to maximally enrich his sleep. Never been done, never been seen. This is so cutting edge that this is the most exciting thing I've ever worked on.
The Z-Track Analyst truly is like having a sleep lab on your wrist. Take it from a sleep doctor who really knows what good sleep should feel like.
1 minute I was awake, and the next minute they were waking me up. The bed was undisturbed. I woke up, I felt great. And it would be nice to be able to provide that to everyone.
Providing deep, restorative sleep requires real science. Dr. Cohen describes the practical side of revolutionizing sleep.
When you get up in the morning and you open the SOLTEC Z app to see how well you slept, the first thing you're going to see is your Z test score. And this test score is modeled after the exact type of data that professional sleep labs use. So you're going to get a real reflection of how you slept. You may not like what you see. And the reason you may not like it is because it really is going to tell you the truth. Unlike some other wearables on the market that show a lot of high scores and aren't exactly clear as to how they're derived, ours is derived from traditional sleep lab metrics, and you're going to see exactly how you slept. And so don't be surprised, although the range is 0 to 100, you may see your score in the 40s and 50s, and that's exactly where I was. And I wasn't surprised because I knew I wasn't sleeping well. The good news is I'm up in the 70s and 80s now, and there's no reason you can't get there as well.
The SOLTEC Sleep Management System is a closed-loop system that determines and applies the right frequencies to enrich your natural sleep stages, including delta sleep, the most important stage of sleep.
As we get older, our sleep gets lighter. Our delta waves become less frequent. Our need for sleep remains the same, but our ability to get that really good sleep diminishes. And one of the hallmark features of delta sleep deep delta sleep is the release of growth hormone. 80% of our growth hormone is released during sleep. When sleep deteriorates, so does general health. It's such an important barometer of how we're doing. But recent studies have shown that just because your growth hormone levels drop, just because your delta sleep diminishes, doesn't mean that it can't be restored. It's not lost forever. And to be able to enrich delta sleep is a major, major breakthrough.
We have literally changed the science of sleep. We are inviting you to become a part of our community so that you can be the first to experience it. And with your help, we can bring this new technology out into the world.
We at SOLTEC Health invite you to join us as we continue to develop industry-defining technology for sleep, stress, and beyond.